Hey everyone, it's Ronnie. This is my third writing process strategy, and this is the RAFT strategy. So basically with RAFT writing, students basically help themselves by filling out a chart that talks about the sort of role they want to be when it comes to their writing, the audience they want to target, the format of their writing that they're going to use, whether that's a letter, a poem, a comic strip, something like that, just a regular story, and then the topic, different sort of topics, questions. Sorry, I talk with my hands a lot. This sort of writing helps students be able to break down sort of what they're looking for and what they want to get out of their writing. So instead of just being like, oh yeah, one time I learned that there are homeless people in the Great Depression, based on my example talking about the Great Depression, they actually take on that role. They're targeting a specific audience, and just doing more than writing from a third party 50, 60, 70 years after something happened. They're taking on the role, they're trying to become someone who was living in the Great Depression, and I think that puts a good twist sort of on their writing, to make it more meaningful, to make it more powerful, to make it more, just to make it more in general. I think that this is an awesome strategy to use with students, especially students who maybe need help figuring out what in the world are they going to write about and how should they be writing. I think this is a great way to break it all down. My mind just went blank, but what was I going to say? Oh, I originally found this strategy on the database in the Tarleton database, but I borrowed somebody's tools for content literacy teaching by Janet Allen and realized the strategy was in there too, after I had already sort of done another one. So that's just a small disclaimer. I did find this on the database, but I kept it in here just because I think that this is an awesome strategy, something that I would want to use with my students just to do more than their basic writing. Thank you.